concrete that heats itself. Researchers at Drexel University have developed a technology that could eliminate the need for snow shovels and road salt across winter climates. For decades, northern regions have spent billions annually on snow removal and road repairs caused by freeze-thaw cycles. Traditional de-icing methods rely heavily on salt, which damages infrastructure and harms the environment. The solution may lie in materials that can manage their own temperature. The Drexel engineering team, led by Dr. Amir Farnam, embedded phase-change materials into concrete. Specifically, they used low-temperature liquid paraffin, which releases heat as it transitions from liquid to solid. This process maintains surface temperatures between 42 and 55 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 10 hours in freezing conditions, preventing ice formation and melting light snow accumulation. 2 experimental slabs on Drexel's campus have proven the concept works. Over 3 years, through 32 freeze-thaw events and multiple heavy snowfalls, these 30-inch test sections have remained ice-free without manual intervention. The researchers tested 2 approaches: pre-treating lightweight aggregate with paraffin and mixing microcapsules of paraffin directly into the concrete mix. Both methods successfully prevented surface freezing. The technology shows particular effectiveness for snowfalls under 2 inches, offering a more sustainable alternative to road salting while extending pavement lifespan. The research, published in Materials and Civil Engineering, represents a significant step toward infrastructure that can autonomously withstand winter conditions. For more on this story, find a link to the full article on Earth.com in the description.